What's up, lovely people? It's your girl Mimi back with another natural hair tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this asymmetrical twist out, please stay tuned because I got it coming for you right now. So the first thing that I do, of course, is saturate my hair. And the key to this is to sit up under the water for about 4 to 5 minutes. That ensures that you loosen up the dirt and oils that are on your scalp and on your strands.
Damn, mommy. Here we go.
What's really neat is Uncle Funky's daughter has a cleansing shampoo and a moisturizing shampoo. So I opted for the moisturizing shampoo because I didn't feel like my hair had a lot of dirt and buildup on it. Normally, I section my hair into 4 sections when I'm shampooing because I want to focus on the scalp as well as prevent tangles. However, I was being really lazy this time because I decided to have wash day after work, and that's never a good idea. So I absolutely love UFD's deep conditioner, but it is a protein conditioner, so you want to make sure you follow the directions to the T. This is not the conditioner that you want to sleep in overnight or leave in your hair for a long period of time.
It's J-Dub.
After every protein conditioner, I always go in with a moisturizing conditioner to make sure that I have a good balance of protein and moisture in my hair. You do not want protein overload.
Damn, mommy.
Believe it or not, this is exactly how my hair is straight out of the shower. I did not dry it off with the towel. This is the state of my hair after washing. So I am a low porosity chick all day. So now we're actually getting into the style. To begin, I like to place the part diagonally down the side of my hair, and I always choose the left side because my curls on the right just seem to slay a little better, so I always want them to be out.
Can you play that again?
So in this order, I go in with my leave-in, which is the Midnight Train, my curl cream, which is the Good Hair, and then my gel, which is Curly Magic. And I don't have a preference between liquid leave-ins or cream leave-ins. However, when I want to get the most definition, I always opt for liquid leave-ins. And this one is a good one because it foams like a mousse and it makes my curls very, very defined. And I know it looks like a lot of product, but I honestly only use a dime-sized amount of the Good Hair and the Curly Magic. Remember, the leave-in foams like a mousse, so it looks like way more product than it really is. But y'all will see later on in the video how all of the products absorb into my hair. So here, I'm flat twisting my hair to start that asymmetrical look. And if you don't know how to flat twist, I'm probably not the one to show you because I know how to do it, but I don't know how to teach someone how to do it. I know that sounds crazy, but it is what it is.
Todd, can you play that again?
It's J-Dub.
So for the remainder of the hair, you're going to put in small twists. It is very important that you twist away from the flat twist because you want your hair to fall in the opposite direction.
It's empire. It's empire.
Damn, mommy. Here we go.
So to ensure that my hair falls in the direction that I want it to fall in, a few of the twists are flat twisted in the beginning. This is just extra security that my hair goes in the direction that I want it to go.
It's J-Dub.
And the best feeling in the world is being completely done. And this is exactly why I don't like to have wash day on a work night, because I'm up till about 11 or 12 o'clock at night trying to finish my hair. So takedown for me is very, very simple. If you follow my Instagram, you know I like to rock my twists for about 3 or 4 days before I actually completely separate them. This, of course, increases the longevity as well as provide a more defined twist out. And this is the finished product. I feel it was a pretty easy tutorial, but I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.